Hey guys, what's up you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name still remains Oboypapi. Are you ready to make money with Bitcoins? Oh yeah, you heard me right. I'm going to teach you guys step by step how you can make money with Bitcoins and get paid through PayPal. If you don't know or understand what Bitcoins are, then please pause this video and check the video description. I have a link that will take you to a video explaining exactly what Bitcoins are. I also have a video which explains the top 5 Bitcoin wallets with a step-by-step tutorial on how you can set up your first Bitcoin wallet. If today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this, and don't forget to smash on the bell so you can receive notification whenever I drop a new video. I will also appreciate if you hit the like button. Anyway, your comment matters to me a lot, so please go ahead and drop them. I'll be back.
If I told you I have the best job for you, will you be interested? A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to earn more than you could spend. All you need is 50 Ghana cedis, and a smartphone to be part of this great opportunity. You will stand the chance to go home with plasma TV, smartphones, laptops, foodstuffs and expensive cars. And also enjoy a luxury vacation around the world. Contact us now to be part of this great opportunity.
Hey guys, welcome back once again. So before we get started, I need you to understand that I'm not a financial advisor, and anything that I say on this channel should not be seen as a financial advice. I'm only sharing my biased opinion based off speculation and my personal experience. Please check the video description. I have a link that will take you to this platform that I'm currently on. And now this leads to the question on how do you make money with Bitcoins. Actually, in other words, we are talking about how you make money using Tyloo. You might ask who Tyloo or what Tyloo is. Well, Tyloo is an exchange platform that allows you to sell or exchange Bitcoins and get paid by PayPal. The great news is that they also give back 15 to 20% to any amount of Bitcoins you sell or exchange using their platform. This means if you carry out a $100 trade at the rate of their site, you get back more than $100. According to few research that I did, they were paying 8 to 10% of any amount you trade on their platform few years back. This means in the percentage increase from time to time. This company has been in the market for more than 3 years, and they have completed more than 50,000 transactions since they started. Now, make sure you have Bitcoins before you come here to trade. Anyway, if you don't have Bitcoins, then it's not a problem. I have a step-by-step video on my channel showing you how you can buy Bitcoins using your local payment method if you are in Africa or anywhere in the world. Please make sure you check the video description for that link. Okay, now moving to how Tyloo works. I'm going to exchange $100 worth of Bitcoins so that you can see what I'm actually talking about. I'm going to so let's go ahead and check how much $100 worth of Bitcoins is in byte. Okay, so you go to your browser. Now let's check from Google how much $100 worth of Bitcoins, okay, is in byte. So $100 Bitcoin. Okay, then you search. Okay, so that is 0.0065 Satoshi. Okay, so let's go back and check in Tyloo. Okay, and how much we make when we sell $100. So you need to enter the first one. You need to enter the amount of bytes that you like to exchange. So $100 worth of Bitcoins is 0.0065. okay, so as you can see here, Tyloo will pay me $116.83 if I exchange $100 worth of Bitcoin. So you will get that in USD in your PayPal account. Okay, so now let's go ahead and provide our PayPal email. Okay, so I will enter my PayPal email to receive my money. Okay, so this is so easy to do, easy money. You just do this and get extra money added to your actual money. So as you can see, I'm done. This is my PayPal email. Make sure you cross check before you click on exchange. So now that we are done with it, I'll click on exchange. Okay, I'm going to click on exchange. Okay, so on this page, this is where we make payment to Tyloo, and okay, we need to make payment before we get our money. So please send exact amount of bytes to this address. So you need to click on copy address. Okay, you need to copy address, and as you can see, the rate and the PayPal email and the amount that you get. So I've copied the address, and now let's go to my Bitcoin wallet and make payment. So I'll go to my Coinbase wallet. Okay, so here's my Coinbase wallet. Okay, so let me go ahead and check how much I have in my wallet. Okay, so as you can see, I have $113 in my wallet. So you go to Byte wallet. Okay, so now we are going to send $100 worth of bitcoins to Tyloo. Okay, so that we can receive our money in paper. So click on where the arrow is pointing. Okay, so you go ahead and send the money to Tyloo. So let's enter. So now the amount is in dollars. Okay, so click on where the arrow is pointing to change it to byte. Okay, now I've changed it to byte, so I'll enter 0.0065, which is the amount of bitcoins we were selling in Tyloo. Make sure you enter the exact amount, okay, to be able to send. So I click on continue. Okay, so for now I'll click not now. Okay, now you are asked to provide the address. Okay, that is the byte address to. So you need to provide or paste it here. You need to paste the address. Then that is the one that you copied from Tyloo. Then you click on send. Okay. Okay. So as you can see here, the fee and everything are there. So we are sending $100 worth of bitcoins to Tyloo. That is 0.0065. Okay. So you click on send now. Okay, we make payment to them. So successfully sent. Okay, now you are done. You click on done. Okay, now let's go back to the Tyloo website. Okay, so now that we have made payment, they are waiting for the Byte network. Okay, so it says that now that we have made payment, we need to make sure we wait for them to confirm. And this may take up to 24 hours due to the large number of orders that they receive. It somehow delays the payment. Okay, so don't worry about this. Just wait for the order to be completed. And this may take some hours, like I said, up to 24 hours. If you don't get to hear or receive any money from them, you go ahead and contact them through their customer service. Okay, so before they pay us, they need to pay. The Bitcoin needs to be confirmed. So you can check from here if the Bitcoins is confirmed, the money that you sent. Okay, so the one that we sent, we need to make sure it's confirmed. As you can see, it's pending. So until it's confirmed, then we are going to receive our money from Tyloo, but we need to make sure that it's confirmed. So this may take up to 30 minutes, I think, before Tyloo get to receive it all. Then they will also start to send us our money. So as we wait for it, we can go to the Tyloo page. Okay, so you can copy the transaction, the payment ID. This is the payment ID. Okay, you can copy the payment ID to follow up with the transaction on their page. Okay, so now that you have copied the ID, let's go to their home page. Okay, let's go to their home page. And okay, so we can come here and paste the payment ID here. Okay, to check your transaction. Okay, you click on check. Okay, so as you can see, it's not confirmed. So there's the ID and the payment is awaiting confirmation. So it needs to confirm before they will send us the PayPal money. Okay, so this may take some time, like I said. Okay guys, so after a couple of hours, I came back to see that I've received a mail. Okay, as you can see over here, it's a mail from PayPal. It means that I've received my money successfully in my PayPal account. Okay, but let's go ahead and check the transaction and see how much they paid and what is the status of the transaction. So paste in your payment ID, which I showed you how to copy. Then you click on check my transaction. Okay, so as you can see over here, I was supposed to receive 116.86 USD, and so far they have already paid 119.29 USD, and it's left with $2.43 to be paid into my wallet. Okay, first of all, let's go to my wallet, my PayPal wallet, and see if I actually have the money over there. Okay, so as you can see, this is my PayPal account. Let me refresh so that you know this is not just a screenshot or something. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my PayPal balance right now. So the money has been paid to my PayPal account successfully, and this is the transaction ID. This is the recent activity, and as you can see here, it was paid from different accounts. Okay, not from one account, but the money has been received in my wallet successfully. And let's check the mail. Okay, this is the email. Okay, so this only the best I could tell you guys is make sure you have you have a PayPal account which has a balance. Okay, that is a history balance, because in most cases, if your PayPal account is new or doesn't have payment history, it sometimes hold your your money for a couple of hours, sometimes 24 hours, sometimes more. So as you can see here, this is the message that I got after they sent me the money. Okay, so this is my proof. Okay, so like I was saying, make sure your PayPal account have a history balance. Okay, as you can see, I've been using PayPal for some time now, so I have a history balance, meaning that it's an old account that I've been using to make transactions, so they can't hold, or sometimes they may even hold it depending on the amount of money that you are receiving. Okay, so I will advise you to make sure you use a PayPal account which has a history, so that they don't hold your money just like how they have been holding some of the people their funds and all that, to avoid all these things. And even if they hold, don't worry, it's normal, because that is how PayPal do their stuff. And Tyloo can't be blamed for PayPal holding your funds. Those who you can actually blame are PayPal, but they can hold it for 21 days, and sometimes 21 days and release it. Sometimes too, when you get a permanent limitation, which can take up to, let's say, up to 180 days. Okay, so let's go ahead. So as you can see here, it looks like they covered the fees. Okay, which they actually covered the PayPal fee. Now let's go to their question and answers and find out more about. So we are going to handle just few of the questions. Okay, that's the question and answers. So the first one I would like to tackle is what about fees? Who cover it? Okay, so they actually cover your PayPal fee, 5% of the trade amount that you actually going to exchange on their platform. Okay, so just 5%, so you don't need to pay much for the PayPal fee. They will make sure they add the fee to the money so that you get exactly the amount that you're supposed to get. And again, let's go to the other one, that is the other question and answers about the minimum amount that you can exchange. It starts from $1. Okay, even though I'm not going to advise you to exchange $1, because you don't make much from a small amount of money, unless you exchange from, let's say, $100 going. That is where you can get enough of money. You can also exchange from $50 if you want to try it for the first time and know if actually this thing is working. Like I'm saying, okay, so the amount that you want to exchange depends on your packet. Make sure you invest the amount that you are ready to somehow exchange. Okay, and again, how do you register or join? You don't need to register any account. Just like you go there and place your order, and you track your orders with the payment ID, and that's it. You don't need to create any account. And another one that we are going to talk about is how to use PayPal carefully. Okay, so it's very important, like I said, make sure your PayPal account have a transaction history. Okay, if your PayPal account doesn't have transaction history, you are likely to face where they will hold your funds for a couple of days, sometimes for 24 hours, sometimes for 180 days, sometimes for 21 days. Okay, so to avoid all these things, make sure that your PayPal account have some history. Okay, so you can start with day one. You can
exchange $50 to receive the $50. From there, you can go to the next day or the third day you try with the $50. Or if your account is new, I would suggest you make transactions with it so that you get history. Somehow try to withdraw through PayPal so that they will know that you've been working with them, so that you can come over here. If not, your account is likely going to be held. Even though if they hold the account, if they limit your account, that doesn't mean that you can get it back. After a couple of days, 21 days, you are definitely going to get your funds back. That is if you wait patiently and allow them to do their review and get back to you.
The other question says, is it safe to use their service? Yeah, their main goal and passion to create a risk-free exchange service. And like I said, they have been working for 3 years, so it looks more like you can trust them. You can actually, and you've seen for yourself, even though like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, and in case you would like to use this platform, do it at your own free will, and you do it at your own risk. I did this with my funds because I believe in it. So if you do it at your end, it's your decision, not because I told you to do so. So if you come here, I have a video on how to buy Bitcoin, so as for that one, it's already covered. I think right now we are done for the question and answers. So I'm going to recommend to you, if you are looking out to make extra income over here, you can repeat the same process every single day. Okay,
so if you like, you can exchange $100 5 times in a day. That will give you a profit of you make $16 for every transaction, right? So that is times 5 times will give you $80. Okay, and with the $80, if you get $80 every single day times 7, that is the 7 days in a 7 days in a week, so that is 1 week, you are going to make $560, okay, as a profit. Do you get me now? If you times the 560 times 2, which means that 2 weeks time you get to make $1,000 and 1,120, so $1,120 US as a profit for trading on their platform for 2 weeks. Okay, so this is how I was able to get my $1,000 in 2 weeks using this platform. And you can use the same method. Go ahead with it. Make sure you get Bitcoins for a cheap price, and if you do so, you might be able to make more profit compared to this whole thing. So you can reach out to Exchange, and I already have a video on that. Check my video, my channel, to get a video, or you can check the video description. It will take you to where you can buy your first Bitcoin into your Byte wallet and come here to exchange. Okay, and that is how I was able to make money using this platform. And another thing that I forgot to talk about, okay, is about they giving every partner or every member on their platform the chance to use a VIP service. Okay, they have a VIP service which comes with a different rate. Okay, but that one, the minimum transaction start from $500. Okay, and if you want to make trade, let's say $1,000 in a week, you might want to enter into the their VIP session. So you just go to where the VIP thing is, you put your email over there, then you send to them that you want to be a VIP member, and they will surely send you an email, then get you on board, so that you'll be able to transact $1,000 and starting for $500 going with a new rate now. So that is all for today. Peace.
Sometimes it feels like I'm just walking on an endless road.